Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix recent folders not showing on quick access in Windows 11,10. Open File Explorer, recent folders not showing on quick access. Right-click Start button, click Run, copy command from description and paste it. Click three dots, click Options, click View tab, check Show All Folders. Right-click Recent Folders, select Pin to Quick Access. Second step is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first registry path from description and paste it. After pasting, press Enter key. Follow this procedure one by one. Copy second registry path from description and paste it. After pasting, press Enter key. Recent folder is shown on Save As dialog box. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.